Hi, I'm Deanna Waters. I have a science degree and I've been in the nutritional science industry now for 18 years and actually been a leader around the world in that industry. One of the biggest questions people have is, how do I know which vitamins and minerals, there's so many different kinds of supplements that you can take for specific needs that you have personally. And so that's one of the areas that I really like to help people. One of the things to be very sure though when you're looking at your supplements is, are they listed, or at least the key ones listed, in the doctor's reference guides, the Compendium of Pharmaceuticals and Specialties in Canada, and the Physician's Desk reference in the United States, and then of course other ones around the world. So that tells you they're guaranteed for potency, purity, dissolution, and bioavailability. The other thing is, do they come with a guarantee for athletes that there's no banned substances? That's very rare, so look for the company that has that. Then for yourself, the company we represent has a health assessment, free health assessment. You can go online, fill that all out, and give you an idea of just exactly what's going to be right for you. So go to our website, ddwaters.com. That's for Dave and Deanna Waters, ddwaters.com, and under contact us, leave your name, phone number, email, and we'd be glad to get in touch with you, give you some more information, answer any questions you have. We want you to have exactly what's best for you, that will give you not only the health you want today, but to begin to fortify you and strengthen you for the future as well.